Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate Netherite upgrade templates in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. To start, you'll need to gather a few key items. Make sure you have at least one Netherite upgrade template, which is the precious item we're looking to multiply. You'll also need a crafting table ready for use. This process is quite straightforward once you have your materials. Let's get started with the exact recipe. The duplication recipe is quite simple. In your crafting table, place the single Netherite upgrade template in the center slot. Then, surround it with 7 individual diamonds, filling all but one of the remaining slots. Finally, place 1 block of netherrack in the empty slot. This precise combination will magically yield 2 Netherite upgrade templates, effectively doubling your supply. Now let's talk about where to find these essential materials. Diamonds are best mined deep underground, usually at Y level 16 or below. Netherrack is incredibly abundant in the nether, so you'll have no trouble finding that. The trickiest part is often finding the initial Netherite upgrade template, which spawns in the chests of bastion remnants within the nether. Happy hunting! With your duplicated templates, you can now easily upgrade all your diamond tools and armor to powerful Netherite. Remember, each upgrade requires 1 template, so having a good supply is crucial. This duplication method saves you countless hours of searching for additional templates in dangerous bastion remnants. Enjoy the enhanced durability and knockback resistance that Netherite gear provides in your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.